From remote villages to global markets, India's handicraft industry is weaving a vibrant tale of heritage, creativity, and opportunity. Traditional skills are being reimagined with a modern flair, breathing new life into age old art forms and creating both livelihoods and national pride. Join us as we explore how Indian artisans are crafting timeless masterpieces, preserving culture while inspiring the generations to come.
Zulfikar Alam, one among thousands of skilled artisans in Uttar Pradesh, has helped transform the small town of Nagina into India's renowned wood and craft city. Since 1971, he has been more than just a master craftsman. He's a guardian of Nagina's centuries-old wood carving tradition. At his workshop, over 70 artisans breathe life into blocks of wood, carving intricate pieces that reflect both heritage and precision.
मैं 71 से मैंने ये काम शुरू किया है। पहले काम सीखा 3-4 साल तक, उसके बाद हमने सप्लाई शुरू करी। मुरादाबाद के, दिल्ली के एक्सपोर्टरों को बाद सप्लाई करा और 92 से मैंने एक्सपोर्ट लाइसेंस लेकर डायरेक्ट एक्सपोर्ट शुरू किया।
Despite its modest size, Nagina is famed for its intricately carved wooden items, known for traditional designs and exceptional quality. Artisans here work magic, seasoning woods like shisham, teak, and mango before meticulously carving them into durable decorative pieces. Today, around 8,000 to 10,000 artisans craft boxes, trunks, key holders, and more, exporting their work to markets in the USA, Germany, the UK, and the Gulf.
यहाँ का जितना भी प्रोडक्ट है उसका 90% एक्सपोर्ट होता है, 10% समझ लीजिए रिजेक्शन वगैरह का, जो वो लोकल मार्केट में या लोकल मार्केट के टेस्ट के हिसाब से हो। तो ये अच्छी बात है कि यहाँ का जितना भी प्रोडक्ट है वो एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड है, निर्यात ही होता है उसका।
यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें पसंद आई, जैसे कॉफ़ी मग और कैंडल स्टैंड, और बच्चों के लिए बहुत सारे गेम्स भी हैं यहाँ पे।
Believed to have originated during the British era, the city has now become a major hub for woodcraft. Government initiatives like Hunar Haat and craft fairs have helped promote the tradition while providing vital market access to expand its reach. In the remote villages of Jammu and Kashmir, a quiet revival is underway as youth engage in restoring the traditional Chikadi woodcraft. With support from the Department of Handicrafts, hundreds in regions like Rajouri are receiving skill training under a special development program. India currently has 744 handicraft clusters, employing over 212,000 artisans and offering 35,000 plus unique products. The government is also providing financial aid and business loans to help artisans build craft-based enterprises in their hometowns.
बहुत बदलाव आएगा, क्योंकि इससे ये होगा कि ये जो सीख कर जाएंगे, एक एक आदमी को इनका अलावा ये 20-15 आदमी और 12 आदमी की एक सोसाइटी बना सकते हैं। तो 20 आदमी का तकरीबन 300-400 आदमी का और रोजी रोटी का मसला जो है हल हो जाएगा।
According to recent Statista report, India's woodcraft exports, an important part of the handicraft sector, rose significantly in financial year 2024, surpassing $1.78 billion. With skill training for youth and the development of world-class craft clusters, the handicraft sector is becoming a key driver of India's Vision 2047, boosting employment, preserving heritage, and expanding exports.